A construction worker plays a crucial role in building, renovating, and maintaining structures such as residential homes, commercial buildings, roads, and bridges. They perform various tasks, including site preparation, material handling, operating machinery, and following safety regulations to ensure smooth construction processes. Construction workers are essential in turning architectural blueprints into reality by executing physical labor and working in coordination with engineers, project managers, and other trade professionals. This video explores the job description of a construction worker, detailing their key roles, responsibilities, and the essential skills required to succeed in this physically demanding yet rewarding profession. Overview of the role. The role of a construction worker varies widely depending on the type of construction project and the specific tasks assigned. Some workers specialize in certain trades, such as carpentry, masonry, or plumbing, while others perform general labor tasks that support multiple construction activities. Construction workers are responsible for assisting skilled tradespeople, preparing construction sites, using hand and power tools, and ensuring adherence to safety protocols. Their work is physically demanding, often requiring heavy lifting, long hours, and exposure to outdoor elements. However, it is also a profession that offers job stability and career advancement opportunities in the construction industry. The job description of a construction worker differs based on experience and specialization. Entry-level workers may start with basic tasks such as material transportation and site cleaning, while experienced professionals may handle more technical duties like operating heavy equipment or reading blueprints. Roles and responsibilities of a construction worker. A construction worker's job is multifaceted, involving both physical labor and teamwork to ensure projects are completed on time and within budget. The responsibilities range from manual labor to equipment handling and safety compliance. 1. Preparing construction sites. One of the primary tasks of a construction worker is to prepare the site before actual construction begins. This includes clearing debris, setting up scaffolding, digging trenches, and ensuring that materials are properly arranged for efficient workflow. They may also assist in marking reference points based on project blueprints to guide the construction process. Proper site preparation is essential for ensuring that the project progresses smoothly and meets safety and quality standards. Construction workers help make the site operational and organized, reducing risks and delays. 2. Assisting in building and structural work. Construction workers assist in assembling, installing, or demolishing structures based on project needs. This may involve mixing and pouring concrete, laying bricks, setting up framing for walls and roofs, and installing insulation or drywall. Their tasks vary depending on the stage of construction, requiring them to adapt to different types of work as the project advances. They also work closely with carpenters, electricians, and plumbers to ensure that construction elements such as wiring, plumbing, and fixtures are correctly installed. Attention to detail and precision are essential to ensuring that structures are built safely and in compliance with building codes. 3. Operating construction equipment and tools. Construction workers frequently use hand tools such as hammers, drills, saws, and wrenches, as well as power tools like jackhammers, concrete mixers, and welding equipment. Some workers, depending on their training and certification, operate heavy machinery such as excavators, bulldozers, forklifts, and cranes. Operating construction equipment requires skill and adherence to safety guidelines to prevent accidents. Workers must be trained to handle these tools properly and report any equipment malfunctions to supervisors to maintain efficiency and safety. 4. Handling and transporting materials. Efficient material handling is a crucial aspect of construction work. Workers are responsible for loading, unloading, and distributing materials such as cement, steel, wood, and bricks to designated areas. They may also mix and apply materials such as mortar and concrete to assist in construction tasks. Proper handling and storage of materials help prevent damage and wastage, ensuring that resources are utilized effectively. Construction workers must follow instructions regarding material use and disposal to maintain project sustainability. 5. Ensuring safety and compliance on site. Construction sites present various hazards, making safety a top priority. Workers must wear protective gear such as helmets, gloves, safety vests, and steel-toed boots to minimize risks. They must also follow safety protocols, including proper lifting techniques, safe tool handling, and adherence to emergency procedures. Construction workers participate in safety briefings and training sessions to stay updated on workplace hazards and best practices. They play a role in maintaining a secure work environment by identifying and reporting unsafe conditions to supervisors. 6. Demolition and site cleanup. In some projects, construction workers are involved in demolition work, dismantling old structures and clearing the site for new construction. This requires the use of specialized tools such as wrecking bars, jackhammers, and cutting torches. After construction or demolition work, workers assist in cleaning up debris, removing waste materials, and ensuring the site is free from hazards. Site cleanup is essential for maintaining organization and preventing accidents. 7. Collaborating with other construction professionals. Construction work requires strong teamwork and coordination. Workers communicate with supervisors, engineers, and skilled tradespeople to ensure that tasks are completed efficiently and according to specifications. They must be able to take directions, adapt to changing project needs, and work collaboratively to meet deadlines. Good communication skills help workers understand project requirements and contribute effectively to the construction team. Being proactive and cooperative enhances productivity and the overall success of the project. 8. Reading and interpreting blueprints and instructions. While entry-level construction workers may not be required to read blueprints, more experienced workers often refer to architectural and engineering drawings to understand project details. They use these documents to determine measurements, placement of structures, and necessary materials. Understanding blueprints and technical drawings allows workers to perform tasks accurately, ensuring that construction work aligns with project plans and safety regulations. Those interested in advancing in the field often receive training in blueprint reading to take on more specialized roles. Skills required for a construction worker. To succeed in this field, a construction worker must have a combination of physical ability, technical skills, and a strong work ethic. Essential skills include: 1. Physical stamina and strength. Construction work involves lifting heavy materials, standing for long hours, and performing physically demanding tasks. 2. Technical proficiency. Ability to use construction tools, operate machinery, and follow technical instructions. 3. Attention to detail. Precision in measurements, material handling, and structural work to ensure accuracy and safety. 4. Teamwork and communication. Ability to work effectively with supervisors, engineers, and other construction professionals. 5. Basic math skills. Knowledge of measurements, calculations, and proportions for construction tasks. 6. Problem-solving skills. Ability to troubleshoot issues, adapt to challenges, and find practical solutions. 7. Safety awareness. Understanding and following safety guidelines to prevent accidents and ensure compliance with regulations. Education and experience. The educational requirements for a construction worker are generally minimal, but specialized training can enhance career prospects. Common qualifications include: 1. A high school diploma or equivalent, preferred but not always required. 2. On-the-job training or apprenticeships to gain experience in construction work. 3. Certifications for operating heavy machinery or specialized construction tasks, such as OSHA safety training or forklift certification. 4. Experience in a specific trade, carpentry, masonry, plumbing, electrical work, can lead to advanced roles in construction. while entry-level positions require little formal education. Gaining experience and training can lead to career advancement, including supervisory or specialized construction roles. Conclusion: the job description of a construction worker involves a wide range of tasks that contribute to building and maintaining infrastructure. Their responsibilities include site preparation, material handling, equipment operation, structural work, and safety compliance. Construction workers play a vital role in ensuring that projects are completed efficiently and safely. Their skills in physical labor, teamwork, and problem-solving are essential for the success of any construction project. With experience and training, construction workers can advance to higher-paying positions such as foreman, site supervisor, or specialized trade expert. The construction industry offers numerous opportunities for growth, making it an excellent career choice for those who enjoy hands-on work and building the world around them.